This van is not starting. It's a Toyota Sienna van. And so far I tried to turn the car on, but it's not starting. I'll turn the key and there's nothing at all. And I noticed this is to turn on the headlight. I noticed it's turned on. So I think the problem, as of right now, I think the problem is the battery. Whoever was driving it, they didn't turn off the headlight. I'm gonna check the voltage on this battery. I'm using a multimeter. It's on DCV. Getting a 2.5 voltage. I'm gonna check the battery with this Foxwell battery tester and see what I get. As of right now, I think the problem is just the battery. Why the car won't start. Looks like the battery's so weak, it won't even power up the Foxwell battery tester. After I connect the clamp to the post, the tester is supposed to turn on. Here's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna try to jump start the car with this portable jump starter. Positive clamp to the positive terminal. The negative clamp to the negative terminal. And I'll turn it on. So before I put the jump starter on, there was nothing. And after I put the jump starter on the battery, the car's trying to start. I think the jump starter is not powerful enough to jump start this car. So I'm gonna try to jump start the van with my car. I just want to make a correction. I was calling this a car. It's not a car, this is a van. I'm gonna use this battery, this car, to try and jump start the van. This is the card that's gonna help jumpstart the van. Hopefully it starts. This is the jumper car. It might help if someone's in this car and they push on the gas, and at the same time I could try to start the van. But I don't have a helper, so I can't do that. Okay, I was able to start the van without a helper. I just connect the jumper cable and the van is still going. So this means the alternator should be good. Because once the car starts, the alternator take over, and even with a bad battery, the car's not gonna shut down. Let me just confirm the alternator is good by testing the voltage. The red positive is on the positive terminal. The black negative is on the negative terminal. I'm getting a 14 voltage reading on the multimeters, so the alternator is good. I had the car started for a while. I'm gonna try to start the car again because the battery got charged for a little bit, and then see if it could turn on. The vehicle turn on. I had the vehicles on for about maybe 5-10 minutes. The battery got charged. The alternator charged the battery. And then this time I was able to turn on the vehicle. The battery might still be good. This vehicle might not need a new battery. I'm gonna just first check it with the multimeter. See what the voltage is. So the red is on positive terminal, black on negative terminal. I'm getting a 12.01 reading. Here's the battery tester. Showing 11.92 voltage. It's a 12-volt system. In vehicle, it's a top post. I believe it's regular, the battery. Cold cranking amp. looks like the code cranking amp is 750. It's right here. And then enter. It's above 0. The battery temperature, I believe it's above 0 degree. So I'll hit enter. And then charge state after or before. Hasn't really been charged, so I'm gonna put on before charge. I might be doing this wrong, but this is for my information. Charge retest, so it needs to be charge and retest. The voltage is 9.2, measure 296 out of 750. State of health 33%, state of charge 15%. So to get a more accurate reading, the battery needs to be recharged. I can see if I could still turn on this vehicle. It turned on. This is all I got. My name is Welking, and thank you for watching.